was at the wrong place.
Hey guys, so today what we're doing is we are doing a beach day. So we just got down to Galveston. I'm trying to feed Peyton right now, and we are going to spend a couple hours at the beach. It's beautiful out. It's 88 degrees, sunny, kind of windy. There's a red flag, so that means lots of high waves. So Ryan will probably try to go in there and, you know, but yeah, that's what we're up to today.
Suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes.
Is that fun? Uh-oh, if there's another one, Peyton.
Perfect slide.
I know. Oh no. Are you little Peyton? No.
It's okay. You just scared her.
Here it comes, Peyton.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Here comes. There's a smile. Yeah. It's just some water. It's just like the pool. Yeah. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Yucky. She just ate some sand.
Hey, Peyton.
Of our new house. I know I said in our last video we were going into an apartment, but crazy turn of events and we actually got a house. Our previous landlord actually reached out to me last week and asked if I wanted to look at any of his new properties, and he offered to transfer our deposits, our animal deposits, and a bunch of stuff. He's like, I can make this the easiest application process ever. Like, you're great tenants, I want to keep you guys. So that's what we did. I was sitting at my desk at school working on some stuff for the new school year, and he's like, this is really close to your school. You should go check it out. And I was out the door. So you're gonna be seeing me unpacking and working on the kitchen a little bit. It's gonna be over sorry, that's Peyton playing, but this is gonna be over a series of a few days. It's a monster to move. So I've been kind of working a little bit at a time, just trying to get things settled as Peyton plays or while she naps. So let's get into it.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do.
All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up today for the vlog. Thanks for coming along with us as we went to the beach and the crazy whirlwind of us finding out that we weren't moving into an apartment, but moving into a house and starting to see the unpacking process. We will be doing a home tour video soon. I just want to get most of the stuff put away. There's gonna be a few cleaning motivational standalone videos coming out this week as well, with some additional packing and cleaning and organizing. So if you're looking for that, hang on tight. It's coming soon, and we'll see you in the next one. Remember to like and subscribe and let us know what you want to see next. See you next time.
Do this right, we'll find the remedy.